For the sake of your feeble mind, let's keep the name simple as well. We'll call this Golden.
Take this, fool! Stand back! Wide open! I could lose to you! If you defeat me, then you're quite delusional! It's over! It ends here! Take this, fool!
You've already lost. Perhaps it's time that all of you know the true reason behind Jiren's obsession with strength. Jiren's parents were slaughtered by a powerful fighter, but he was spared and was rescued by a man who would go on to become his master. From that day on, Jiren devoted himself to the path. Determined to forge himself into a steel marauder. Die in time, he made friends. New community. He followed his master's way. Then, the same villain returned. Jiren and his new brothers in arms stood against him. The boy was sure this time he'd win. But the foe was just not bad. And Jiren watched as his friends were slain one by one. Even Jiren's master lost his life mercilessly. Jiren tried to regroup and keep fighting, but none of the other remaining students would join. With no fight, the people in his land were forced to submit to this cruel conqueror. And Jiren
Stop wasting my time.
Now, how about I start off the festivities? I'm going to take this! I will let you take that! Miserable! Vanish! Ever see this one? I was feeling bored anyway.
Stand aside! Now then!
Perhaps it's time that all of you know the true reason behind Jiren's obsession. Jiren's parents were slaughtered by a powerful fighter, But he was spared and was rescued by a man who would go on to become his master. From that day on, Jiren devoted himself to the path
I'll
of
take
righteousness,
over.
determined to forge himself into a steel wall no marauder could break. In time, he made friends, a new community,
Now then.
and he followed his master's way. The same village. Jiren and his new brothers in arms stood against him. The boy was sure this time he would win. And Jiren watched as his friends were slain one by one. Even Jiren's master lost his life in the merciless battle. Jiren tried to regroup and keep fighting, but none of the other remaining students with no hope. The people in his land were forced to submit to this cruel conqueror.
Bring on the deck.